our family. So this is just like, the family reunion.
Teach Michigan for me is this continued professional development and support to be the best teacher I can be.
It's learning from one another, which is exactly what Teach Michigan is all about.
Teach Michigan's commitment to educators is a beautiful thing.
People, keep on learning.
This is incredible. I'm excited to learn from other educators.
Understanding that we're students, even though we're teachers first, right? We have to be students. We have to listen. We have to learn.
Teachers, keep on teaching.
I love teaching. I love it.
Understanding as an educator that what we do is not teach a subject. What we do is teach the future.
Believers, keep on believing.
It's an elevating level of, I'm part of something bigger than myself, bigger than my community.
So now the network is stronger, the collaboration is greater, so that we can not only survive but thrive across multiple districts.
Gonna keep on striving till we reach our highest ground.
When you leave here, you feel like I do matter.
To me, Teach Michigan means that I'm giving a fantastic opportunity to the young people to be successful in life.
Teach Michigan to me means transform local education.
But we're actually all working for the same goal, and that's to make our young people, our scholars, the best that they can be.
Keep on turning, 'cause it won't be too long.
Teach Michigan, this initiative, is all about investing into the best educators who are in front of the kids who deserve them the most, and giving them the resources, the time, the agency, the connections, on a day like today, the development, so that you can go do the very best work possible for your kids.
And think about what would it look like to unlock the dreams of your students for what their communities can look like.
Amazing students are the products of amazing educators. And I know everyone in here is going to take these tips and help to build a bright future for the world.
And you have to keep that dream alive in your classroom. You're the energy that starts their day. You're the reason they want to learn.
For Michigan to be the best place ever to teach.
Oh man, that's a wonderful question.
If Michigan were the best place to be an educator, which I think Michigan is on its way to being the best place to be an educator, that would mean that teachers get to focus on teaching.
Awesome educators produce awesome scholars, because really the backbone of education is in the classroom.
When we invest in leadership, we are understanding where's the equity, where's the need.
Our future is education. Our resources, our children, our youth, our families.
And so it is critical that we support teachers, that we give them the things that they need, that we pay them at a level that is supportive for them, so that they are not eager to get out of the classroom, but they learn that they can have a living wage while being in education and still have a great life and lifestyle as well.
Believers.
Michigan would be the best place, mainly because we would be working together.
We're in this together.
Education is what really going to propel us to be the best country we can be.
I just think that teaching in general is just one of the greatest gifts.
Understanding as an educator, what I do makes a difference, and somebody sees me, and I think that's what we all want in the world is somebody that sees what I do to be valuable.
We're about the kids. We're about learning, we're about teaching, and we're about doing what's best for our kids in our state.
And I really want to make sure that not only my children, but all those that are striving to make this world a better place, we think about education first, because as we educate others, we lift each other.